All right, so we're in a Lucid Air Touring.
Yep.
And what is the color of this car?
This is so the interior is a Tahoe brown.
Okay.
And then the exterior is I believe it's a quantum gray on the exterior.
Quantum gray, okay.
And then the roof is tinted glass.
Okay. Very nice. And you got the power sunshade back there too?
Yep.
And the digital dash goes all the way across, and then all your controls are done down here.
Exactly. So the left side is going to have basic controls like the defrosters, headlights, windshield wipers. Middle screen here is going to show you your range, so 367.
Okay.
So this is your
Is that considered a full charge on this one?
No, so the full charge on this one's 425.
Oh, wow. Okay.
On a 19-inch tire. If you already have like a 20 or a 21, it'll be reduced. Right side here is going to have like your navigation, which is here.
Okay.
Drag down screen.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Music is here.
Okay.
Drag down screen.
Oh, wow.
Anything on the right side can actually drag down. And then you have an opening, so you're able to open and close your front and rear trunk.
Okay.
These will change your horsepower. So the horsepower, the max horsepower on this one is 620.
Okay.
All right. 0 to 60 is about 3.4 seconds.
All right. And you have self-closing doors on this, right?
Soft closing doors.
Soft closing, I should say.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
That is wild.
Get on the road. So this is your gear shift here. Down is drive, all the way up to reverse.
Okay. And you got a left turn. Do you have that camera on the right side as well if we did a right turn signal, or?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow. Okay.
The car is really quiet. The max weight is over 6,300 pounds. It's super quiet, and you're not gonna really feel the weight on your turn. So
Oh, wow.
you're gonna notice it. Super
Very quiet. Like whisper quiet.
Yeah, but it's still really fast too at the same time. So you're not gonna really hear like a lot of tires screeching. You know. Sometimes people think because you hear noise, you hear the exterior noise, that means you're going faster, which it's actually not necessarily true.
Yeah, just you got noisy tires.
Yeah, you got noisy tires. Yeah. Go around one more time for you. Are you from Chicago?
No, sir. I'm actually from St. Louis.
Oh wow. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
Were you here the entire time of the event, or you just came?
No, just came in. This is my second day at the show.
Okay.
But I actually work for a Volkswagen dealer in St. Louis. So.
Oh, awesome.
But you know, you gotta partake in everything.
That's how you study the game.
You're right. Exactly.
Competitive.
Oh wow, that got up.
And the car has regenerative braking. So, which means the car can brake on its own.
Okay.
Right. So I don't have to. I actually, when I was slowing down, I didn't brake at all. The car.
So does that take you down to 0, or does it take you down to like 2 or 3?
Yeah, it'll slowly brake on its own.
Okay.
It won't fully come to a stop. Right.
Okay.
So. And then you can raise and lower the regenerative braking. So you can raise and lower the braking intensity as well. So right now it's on a higher braking intensity, so it's going to react faster. So, for example, see how it's...
okay.
See how it's braking? The reason why most electric vehicles have these is because it captures any leftover energy. It's going to bring it back to your battery, so you're actually gaining range while you drive. This is really useful when you're like going on a long road trip. Sometimes if it says like, oh, it's going to be 300 miles, you're going to have 100 miles left or wherever, you may end up getting more range because of that region braking. All right.
All righty. Well, thank you very much, sir. Been